Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to trim video in Instagram story. Let me show you. First of all, we will just go into the Instagram here and I will click on the story icon. And once I click on the here, I have to give the permission to access my files and folders, right? So I will just click on allow here, right? And once I am here, you can see that if I just select a video here, I will not get an option to edit or trim, right? It will only show in the story that you can just add it. You'll never not get any option to edit it. But I will show you another feature where you can edit your or trim your video in Instagram only. So we'll just go back here. Now we'll just go to the post section and here we will select the same video. And once you select the same video, on the top right you have to click on the next. And once you click on it, here we have to just click on OK. Here you can see in the bottom left side corner, you will see this feature of edit video. So I will just click on edit video, right? And I can just stream my video. For example, my video is this long, but if I just click, right? And here I can just turn it and I can just add transition and everything. And once I'm here, you can see there is a edit of edit. So for example, I just want it till here. I'll just click on edit and you can see that my videos become shorter as according to my requirement. And once I am done with it, once I'm satisfied with my trim, I will just click on the arrow icon which is on the top right. And once I do it here, I will click on the OK. And here you can see that basically you can save this video, right? So here you can just click on save draft and then you can just post it over your story, right? So it's very easy. I will just go back here and for example, I will click on the drop down. I will just download it from here. You can see this is a download icon. You can just download this video and then you can post it over your story. So this is pretty easy and I hope you found this video really useful.